Are you the one who remembers everyone's coffee order, checks in first after a fight that wasn't even yours, and somehow always ends up hosting, organizing, or fixing, even when nobody actually asks you to? If you watched the Fawning video, you already know what happens in a single tense moment. That instant reflex to a piece. This is what it looks like when that reflex isn't just a moment anymore. It's become a whole way of living. So let's untangle where this comes from and then sit together in a short meditation, a chance to feel what it's like to exist without earning your place first. Here's a question worth sitting with. When did being liked start feeling like the same thing as being safe? Because that's actually the root of it. Somewhere along the way, you learned that your worth wasn't automatic. It was something you had to keep proving. Something like being helpful, easy, agreeable. Not because you're naturally generous, though you might be, but because some part of you learned that people leave, or get cold, or get disappointed when you're anything less than that. Here what makes people-pleasing sneaky. It doesn't look like fear from the outside. It looks like kindness, right? Like being a good friend, a good daughter, a good partner. People even thank you for that. But underneath, there's often a quiet, constant hum of anxiety. A running calculation happening before you even open your mouth. What does this person need from me right now? And how fast can I become that? And this is the part that usually stings a little to hear. People-pleasing isn't really about the other person at all. It's about you trying to control how safe you feel by controlling how they feel about you. If they're happy, you can relax. If they're not, something in you goes on high alert until you fix it. That's exhausting to carry. Being responsible for everyone's mood all the time, as if it were actually your job. So here's the question underneath everything. If you stopped pretending what everyone needed for just one day, what would you actually want? Not what would be easiest for everyone else. What would you want? If that question is hard to even answer, that's not a flaw. That's just how long it's been since anyone asked you, including yourself. There's a physical side to this too. People-pleasing tends to sit in the solar plexus, the chakra connected to personal power and self-worth, called Manipura. When your sense of value keeps getting handed over to whoever you're trying to please, that's often exactly where it shows up. A knot, a tightness, or that low hum of anxiety right under your ribs. So now, let's slow down together. Not to fix anyone. Not to figure out what anyone else needs from this moment. Just to spend a few minutes finding out what you need. So, get comfortable, wherever you are. Let this be a few minutes that belongs only to you. And let's start our meditation. Let your eyes close if that feels right. For these next few minutes, there's no one here to take care of. Not one person to read or manage or make comfortable. Just you. And now start by simply noticing your breath. Exactly as it is right now. Nothing to change yet. Now let your next inhale come a little slower, a little fuller through your nose. and let it go even slower through your mouth, like you finally allowed to stop holding something up. One more like that. Breathe in and breathe out. Let your jaw soften. Let your shoulders come down from wherever they've been living. Think of a recent moment where you said yes to something you didn't actually want, or stayed quiet about what you needed, just to keep things easy for someone else. Where do you feel it in your body right now? Just remembering it. Maybe your chest, or your stomach, or somewhere in your shoulders. Just notice where it lives. You don't have to change it yet. That pattern was never really about being weak or too nice. It was built to keep you connected to people at a time when connection felt like it depended on being useful. It was protecting something real. It's just working over time now. Try to connect with this part of yourself. Try to feel it. And maybe you can say it out loud. I see you. And you don't have to earn your place here. Try to repeat that part. I see you, and you don't have to earn your place. And now quietly in your own mind, repeat after me. Slowly, and letting each one settle before the next. I don't have to manage how everyone else feels. Being liked is not the same thing as being safe. my needs are allowed to take up space too. I can be loved without constantly earning it. Try to feel it. Take a slow breath in, and as you release it, imagine that old sense of responsibility for everyone else's mood loosening its grip, just a little. Let your breath return to its own rhythm now. Nothing to manage here either, just let it move the way it wants to. One last full breath in slowly and out completely. Setting down whatever old job you've been quietly performing without ever being asked to. Whatever softened in you just now is still here when you open your eyes. It doesn't need anyone else's permission to stay. It's simply yours. Take your time. Let your awareness return slowly. And try to return slowly to the room, to the weight of your body. And open your eyes whenever you're ready.